so I wanted to give you guys a little updated what's in my freelance kit, just because I've been playing around with LimeLife for a little bit longer and I've kind of built up a couple more things here. I'm still using my trolley that I got that you guys might have saw in my first video on my channel. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it up in the right hand corner for you guys to check out. But I'm really liking this trolley a lot still. Because in this top part I keep all my makeup, and then there's a middle section, and that's kind of where I put paperwork and towels and stuff like that, and then the bottom section is where I've been keeping stuff for like sanitization and as well as some hair stuff when I do updos and stuff like that, so I keep my hair stuff in the bottom. And like I showed you guys in the video, this all does up, and then on the back it has this handle so that you can just wheel it around wherever you need to go. So that is very handy because my last one didn't have wheels and that just got really heavy carrying around all this makeup. Okay, so as for the makeup, this is something that a lot of makeup artists ask me. Being with LimeLife, do you have to use everything LimeLife? And you most definitely do not. That was one of my first questions because I didn't want to feel tied down to a particular brand like I did with my previous company. And so for basically, to sum it up, I use all for everything for the base face from LimeLife, because those are all the things that are like ride or die for me. So right here I have all of the foundation colors that I use most. And then I have my whole blush palette. This is my concealer palette. I have setting powder and bronzer, and here is liner and brows. I do have some lip liners, lipsticks, and lip glosses. I am trying to kind of, well, I like where my lip liners are at, but I'm going to be building my lipsticks and lip glosses with various brands. I do have my favorite ones from LimeLife, and I do plan on getting a couple more matte shades and liquid lipstick shades, both from LimeLife and from different brands. For prepping the face and setting the face, I use everything LimeLife because I'm obsessed with this. If you guys follow me, you know that I love the Must Do, now known as Due Date, and these are the two setting sprays and the makeup primer, and so I am loving those. So this is everything that I use from LimeLife. I do really love the sponge too. I use that, and as well as the brush cleaner. And then I have my Beauty So Clean and a couple more sanitization products there. I use various brushes. They're from all over the place. There's some that I love from LimeLife, some from Sephora, some from my previous company. Just all my favorite brushes. I have my palette knife. That's necessary for all of the foundations. I do really like this. So I have this Pretty Vulgar, and that is an eyeliner, gel eyeliner. And then here I have like a contour highlight palette and just some different kind of trending eyeshadow palettes, because I do really like to play around with different brands for eyeshadow and stuff like that. I just like all the different colors. So I want to have just a little bit of everything for people depending on what eye look they're going for. And I also do keep a couple individually wrapped makeup wipes from LimeLife, because just in case someone shows up with makeup on or I need to wipe anything off, then I have those. Another thing that I have acquired that I didn't have before is this Ricky mirror, and it is now a staple as well because it's so handy. I can take this off. That's for my phone. And I use this as a traveling like vanity when I'm doing people's makeup. So then you can just go and turn this on, adjust the lights. It's dying, so it's not going as bright as it should, and then it came with its little stand, and that is, oh my gosh, that is so good. I love, love, love this mirror, and that I can just pack up and put in the bottom. There's my dog. That I can put in the bottom of my trolley as well. Yeah, so I thought I would just show you guys that and just let you know that if you are a makeup artist and you're considering this, but it's just maybe the fact of being tied down to one brand that is holding you back, just know that that's not the case. You can pick and choose what you like to use and what you like to represent. You're never required to promote any products that you wouldn't personally use yourself. What I really love about running my own like freelance makeup business with LIMELIFE is that any of these products that I use on my customers, if they say, oh, you know what, I love this foundation. I have never used a foundation that looks like this on my skin, which is a very common response because this foundation is so amazing, is that then I'm able to say, you know what, I'll color match you right now, or I'll write down the color that we used on you today, and we can get that ordered up for you. So these come in palettes with 1 foundation, 2 concealer for the everyday consumer. So then I'm able to color match them with their application and get that all ordered up for them. And then I'm still able to play with other things that are trending in the makeup world and just kind of keep myself relevant in all aspects. So yeah, that is what I really like about tying LIMELIFE in with my makeup business. So if you guys do have any more questions on that, just please feel free to message me and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more, and let me know if there's anything else that you guys would like to see. Thank you so much for watching.